Hey everyone, today we are going to tackle mixed numbers collectively. What do we need to do in order to accomplish that? Analyze example. Calculate 6.2 minus 3.1. Find 6.27 minus 3.18. And it is necessary for us to calculate the difference that exists between these two numbers. Once again, we are focusing our attention on the denominators. We have different denominators in this case. We must ensure that the denominator is the same. Therefore, we have to find it again. We have to find the least common multiple, or the smallest common denominator, for the numbers 7 and 8, in order to make sure they are identical. But I don't want to do that. I want to find an easier way. And what exactly is this method? I mean 6.2, 3.18. What do I need to do? I am in the process of collecting whole numbers, so I write down 6 minus 3. What do I need to do? I am working with whole numbers, therefore I write 6 minus 3. Now I subtract our fractional numbers, 2/7 minus 1/8, to find the difference. And here I will utilize the butterfly method, take another look, subtract 3 from 6 to get 3, and add it here. In this section, I will perform multiplication of 7 and 8. You continue to multiply the numbers. I will multiply 2 by 8. I will simply write the sign here, multiply 8 by 2, multiply 2 by 8, and subtract 7 multiplied by 1. I will just write a 7 in this position. That's the complete process of using the butterfly method. So it transpires that -1 multiplied by 7. I just need to perform the calculations now. 3 plus 2 times 8 equals 16. 16 minus 7 equals 9. Multiply by 8, that'll be 56. So 3 plus 9.56 equals 3.956. Okay, we have completed this example. Clearly, gentlemen, if it is challenging for you to do it precisely in this way, you have the option of doing it by identifying a common denominator that is shared by both fractions involved. And let us consider one more example. Here is the deal. Such an incredibly sneaky example, don't you think?
5/3 minus 2.
So what is the correct course of action in this specific situation? Here we have a denominator, but here we don't have one, guys. There is no decimal part here. So what's the plan then? According to the rule, we subtract the whole part from the whole part. 5 minus 2. And we have to subtract the fractional part of 3/4. There is no decimal part in this number, so I am writing 0. Therefore, the result of 5 minus 2 is 3, and the result of 3/4 minus 0 is 3/4. And as a consequence, we will ultimately obtain a value of 3.34. Therefore, it is possible to have various scenarios. You can subtract either mixed numbers. You have the option to subtract the whole part from a mixed number. Certainly, we'll still review numerous cases, but for today our lesson has concluded. Goodbye until we reunite.